Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, November 25th, 2015, the one of the busiest travel days of the year. And believe me, if you're anywhere near the Lincoln Tunnel or New York City or Philadelphia for that matter, or pretty much anywhere in the New Jersey Turnpike, it is nasty out there already, as everyone apparently is already on the road and causing all sorts of delays out there. So if you are traveling, well, bring a snack. You're going to need it. As far as the weather, there will be no complications from the weather, at least on the East Coast, and certainly not around the northern mid-Atlantic, through at least Friday. Now, temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 20s in the suburbs, lower 30s in the cities and in your urban areas. Winds are light and variable. They're going to develop out of the east later on this noon around 5 miles per hour, and that's going to bring some slightly warmer conditions to the region, with temperatures rebounding into the upper 40s to lower 50s, which is pretty much where we should be for this time of year. Take a look at the surface map. This high pressure system that is over New England will continue to shift out towards the Canadian Maritimes. That's going to lead to an easterly and eventually a southeasterly wind by tomorrow afternoon, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. As this high pressure system continues to shift out to the Atlantic, we'll eventually have a southwesterly wind on Friday, leading to even warmer temperatures, almost spring-like, with highs in the mid-60s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So, like I promised in my winter forecast, November warm, December, for the most part, will be warm, and then things get interesting. So it looks like that's working out very, very nicely. As far as the infrared satellite picture, you can see pretty much high and dry, clear out there. We got one little disturbance here over the Tennessee River Valley. This won't amount to much. And otherwise, it's pretty dry and quiet from the East Coast all the way to the plains. Now, when we take a look at our forecast, you can see for today, high pressure is in control, with temperatures rising into the lower 50s for most locations, upper 40s perhaps along the coast and in some interior locations. For this evening, high pressure remains in control, with temperatures falling into the upper 30s to lower 40s by tomorrow morning. Now, if you do have travel plans out towards the plains, unfortunately, we're looking at one heck of a nasty winter storm developing, with very heavy rainfall from the Great Lakes down to the southern plains, and periods of ice over the central plains around Kansas City, back towards, not Kansas City, I'm sorry, back towards central Nebraska, back towards northwestern Kansas, and then you got areas of snow here in the Rockies and around Colorado, and that's only going to get worse as we move on through Friday. So if you have any travel plans out in the plains, well, it won't be the best scenario out there. As far as our neck of the woods on Thanksgiving, high pressure will be in place, with temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows and mid to upper 50s for highs, so much warmer. And then on Friday, with high pressure off the coast, we got that southwesterly wind, lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the lower to mid 60s throughout the region, with very pleasant weather conditions. Now, that storm in the plains is eventually going to reach our neck of the woods by the time we get to about Tuesday. In the meantime, we'll have a cold front move through on Saturday morning, with a few scattered showers throughout the day. Look for lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the lower to mid 50s. On Sunday and Monday, high pressure will be in place. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s and high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And then on Tuesday, that area low pressure that was in the plains will lift northward towards the Great Lakes, and that's going to drive up plenty of rainfall for the region Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Look for lows on Tuesday in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Wednesday morning, that storm slowly starts to leave with lingering showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Look for lows in the lower 40s and highs in the lower to mid 50s. That is your forecast discussion for today. There won't be any videos through at least Monday as we go on vacation, but I want to wish you and everyone in your family a happy Thanksgiving, and thank you for following NYNJPA Weather.